Hi guys, Ashley Johnson here. I'm here to talk to you today about our fabulous Moodstruck Epic 4D Fiber Mascara. It's a one-step mascara. It's got Y-shaped fibers already mixed into the formula. I know that we used to have a 3D mascara and it was a two-step process. I honestly was not a big, huge fan of it. I didn't like the two-step process. So this coming out has made my life simpler, my mascara simpler. Like I said, it's a one-step fiber mascara. It's going to offer those Y-shaped fibers that are already built right into the formula to give you that ultimate length, volume, and lift. It's super lightweight, which I love, and it's kind of the actual tube itself is quite heavy, but the mascara on your eyes is super lightweight, so there's no need to worry about that. So you can apply it like regular mascara, but if you're looking to get maximum results from this mascara, there are a couple of tips and tricks that will help you to really maximize that look and give you those wow lashes. So stay tuned and we'll jump right into it. Okay, the best way to apply this mascara is to clean, dry lashes. I always like to curl mine. It's a choice I choose to take. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I just like to curl them. So I just use my eyelash curler here, and we're just gonna curl both sides. Make sure that if you are curling your lashes, that you are doing it before you put on your mascara and not after. If you do it after, you're more likely to get it stuck in your, mascara, and it's gonna rip out your lashes, and we don't want that. So if you are gonna curl, make sure you do it beforehand. Okay, so here's the mascara. Comes in a pretty purple tube. It's a really heavy tube, but this is a one-step fiber mascara. So there's no more multiple steps. You got to put on the stuff before. I was not a fan of the other stuff where it was multiple steps. These are already have the Y-shaped fibers already mixed into the formula. So it's super easy, super quick, one step, and you're good to go. When you get this, make sure, obviously, do not pump your mascara. You always want to make sure to kind of, swirl it around, kind of mix it up, in shipping, stuff can settle. And since there are Y-shaped fibers mixed in here, you do kind of want to make sure to kind of swirl it around and get the formula, get it all kind of mixed in, but don't pump. You never want to pump. You're going to introduce air into there and it'll just make your mascara dry out quicker. You have a chance to introduce more bacteria in there. So make sure you don't pump. So, and then you're going to pull it out. And we have this, the wand is fabulous. It's a natural fiber wand. And it's kind of hard to see, but there are two different sides to this wand. So I'm going to try to show you. There is a flat, shorter side, and then there is a longer, rounded size, which is going to help those Y-shaped fibers really coat your lashes and really interlock on your lashes, building that length further up. So we're just going to jump right in and apply this. So again, make sure you don't pump, kind of swirl it around and get some product on there. When you pull it out, you can always, there's usually tons of product on here. I usually scrape off some of that product. If you feel you got too much, just kind of scrape. You can always get more if you need more. But I have found that the less that you put on, it goes on a little bit better and it doesn't seem to clump quite as much. So if you feel that there's too much, like I said, you can always go back and get more, but okay. And then the trick, the tip to make this maximize the results that you're looking for is the way that you apply it. You can apply it just like regular mascara, but it's not going to give you the maximum effect that you're looking for. So what you want to do is you want to start at the base of your lashes. I use a mirror to look down into while I'm doing this. Okay, so you're just gonna start right at, like I said, at the base, and you're gonna wiggle, and then you're gonna twist the wand up your lashes. And I'm gonna kind of show you both ways because I found that the twisting does work, but I've found it kind of hard to twist. So I have found that just blinking my lashes through, maybe like holding, let me just show you. Okay, so we're just gonna go right at the base, wiggle, and then twist that wand up. Back and forth wiggle, twist it up, okay? And then you can kind of go back and, work out where, maybe it's kind of stuck together in places. Wiggle, twist. I have found that the twisting part is hard for me. So what I like to do is I still do the wiggle, then I just kind of blink my lashes through. And that still gives me the same effect. It's just a little bit easier for me. Okay, I also go back and make sure to do the back sides of my lashes as well. Okay. So that's just one coat, guys. This is totally buildable. You can continue to build it up. You can, but if you're gonna do multiple coats, I would highly suggest doing it before that first coat completely dries. If you, so while it's still kind of damp. If you do a second coat while it's completely dry, then you're gonna have more likely to get clumps and, sticking together. And we certainly don't want that. But if you do have clumps or you find, just get a comb, a lash comb, a spoolie, or, you can just use the edge of the mascara wand just to kind of work out those clumps if you do get any. Okay? So, and then we don't want to forget our bottom as well. On the bottom, I don't do the wiggle and the twist. I just kind of put this on. If you want to give your tops a chance to dry before you do your bottoms, that's an option too. But if I get mascara on my eyelid, I just let it dry and then I just use a spoolie and I can get it right off. So no big deal. All right, so then we have it on the bottom. As you can see, 4D on this side, none on this side. It is fabulous. It is lightweight. It is, I highly recommend it. I am in love with it. Yeah, but if you use these couple little tips and tricks, like I said, you can apply it like a regular mascara by all means. It's just not going to give you the maximum effect. Like I said, you really want to get those Y-shaped fibers that are already mixed into this formula to really interlock on your lashes and build that length and the volume. And so try these couple of tips and hopefully that will get your lashes looking fabulous.